Guys, Binghamton issued a snow squall warning. It's crazy.
The following is an urgent winter weather message. For the following counties, New York, Cuyahoga, Portland, Onondaga, and Tompkins.
Today I highlighted blue.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a snow squall warning for southeastern Cuyahoga County, northwestern Portland County, southwestern Onondaga County, northern Tompkins County, until 12:15
Look at those
p.m.
snow squalls. They're
At
crazy.
11:44 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from New Rotisco to Titanic Falls, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and
This
rapidly
one over
falling
here.
visibility.
No, not that one.
Wind gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated.
It's not this one.
Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted
where is it?
include Ithaca,
Oh, it's
Cuyahoga
right
Heights,
there.
Lansing, Homer, Otisco,
I'm trying to find
Groton,
it.
Locke, Genoa, Trumansburg, and Preble. This includes the following
By the way,
highway
State College
exits:
issued
New
that
York
S
Interstate
another
81 between 13 and 14.
SSW.
Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.
I don't know which one it is.
The following is an urgent winter weather message. For the following counties in New York, Broome, Portland, Cuyahoga, and Tompkins. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a snow squall warning for northwestern Broome County, southern Portland County, northeastern Cuyahoga County, northeastern Tompkins County, until 12:15 p.m. At 11:30 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located near Slaterville Springs, or near it.
Dude, look at that. This is a crazy snow squalls. And yeah, it's a big. Come on. Come on, where is it? Oh, there we go. I changed the radar map to satellite. Look. Dude, this is insane.